Hi friends, welcome to Arivilm. I am Sabruddin. In today's video, we are going to learn how to multiply two-digit number ends with 1. Before we continue this video, if you are not yet subscribed our channel, please consider subscribing. We'll go for today's video. To multiply two-digit number ends with 1, we have to follow 3 steps. The first step is we have to multiply the units. Second step, we have to take the tens from both the numbers and we have to add the numbers. Third step, we have to take tens from both the numbers and we have to multiply the numbers. We'll see one example. Let's take a smaller number, 21 multiply 31. The first step, we have to take the last number and multiply, right? 1 ones are
1.
Okay, now we are going to take tens from both the numbers and now we are going to add the numbers. What is 2 plus 3?
5.
5. Okay, now I am going to take the same numbers and now I am going to multiply the numbers. 2 threes are
6.
yes, 6. Now we'll do one more example. Let's take 21 multiply 51. Right? Now 1 ones are 1. 2 plus 5
7.
7. 2 fives are
10.
10. Yeah. Now we will do one more example with bigger numbers, right? So now we will take 81 multiply 91. Right? Now 1 ones are
1.
1. 8 plus 9
17.
17. Okay. So now I'm going to carry 1. Okay. Now 8 nines are
72.
72. 72 plus 1
73.
73. Okay. Now check out the answer. Hope this video helps. If you like this video, hit the like button. For any suggestions, please mention it in comment area. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.